Keep trying. Saya akan menunggu di sini. I will wait here. I will wait here. Saya panggilkan dia. I will call him. I will call him. Ada apa denganmu? What is the matter with you? What is the matter with you? Sepertinya bahasa yang sulit. It's such a difficult language. It's such a difficult language. Saya tidak begitu yakin. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Dia tumbuh cepat. He is growing fast. He is growing fast. Katakanlah begitu. I should say so. I should say so. Saya kira saya akan menyukainya. I will enjoy doing that. I will enjoy doing that. Saya harap demikian. I hope so. I hope so. Ini akan menjadi luar biasa. That would be great. That would be great. Percaya aku. Believe me. Believe me. Hubungi saya kembali nanti. Call me back later. Call me back later. Jelas tidak. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Ini belum terlambat. It's not too late. It's not too late. Jangan hilang harapan. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Bantu yang lainnya. Help others. Help others. Saya khawatir juga. I'm worried too. I'm worried too. Hujan lebat hari ini. It's raining very hard today. It's raining very hard today. Akan turun hujan salju hari ini. It's going to snow today. It's going to snow today. Jangan tidur di kelas. Don't sleep in class. Don't sleep in class. Jangan datang terlambat lagi. Don't come late again. Don't come late again. Jangan tinggalkan aku sendiri. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. Jangan menyontek di kelas. Don't cheat in examination. Don't cheat in examination. Jangan berbicara sendiri. Don't speak by yourself. Don't speak by yourself. Kerjakan PR-mu. Do your homework. Do your homework. Kamu seharusnya lebih baik. You should be better. You should be better. Bagaimana liburanmu? How was your holiday? How was your holiday? Saya benar-benar senang. I had a really wonderful time. I had a really wonderful time. Membosankan. It was awful. It was awful. Sayang sekali. That's too bad. That's too bad. Apakah ini lebih baik? Is this better? Is this better? Saya akan mengambil yang ini. I will take this one. I will take this one. Mengecewakan sekali. That's very disappointing. That's very disappointing. Agak terlambat. Is a rather late. Is a rather late. Give it back to me tomorrow. Give it back to me tomorrow. Saya tidak perlu itu. I don't need it. I don't need it. Saya akan mengatakan padamu apa? I will tell you what. I will tell you what. Kedengarannya sangat baik sekali. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. Setidaknya kita bisa coba. At least we can try. At least we can try. Menyenangkan. They were wonderful. They were wonderful. Ceritanya tidak menarik. The story was not good. The story was not good. Filmnya sangat panjang. The film was very long. The film was very long. Lebih baik saya tinggal di rumah saja. I should stay at home. I should stay at home. Kamu tampak sangat sedih. You look very sad. You look very sad. Ambilin aku sesuatu untuk diminum. Get me something to drink. Get me something to drink. Kamu pasti bergurau. You must be joking. You must be joking. Banyak aktor tidak datang. Many actors don't come. Many actors don't come. Saya lihat dulu. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Saya punya gagasan. I have an idea. I have an idea. Saya lebih suka tinggal di rumah. I would rather stay at home. I would rather stay at home. Lihat aku. Look at me. Look at me. Hal itu mengingatkan saya. That remind me. That remind me. Apakah itu berita bagus? Is it a good news? Is it a good news? Saya akan tunjukkan padamu gambar terakhir. I must show you the latest pictures. I must show you the latest pictures. Saya tidak mengenal orang ini. I don't recognize this person. I don't recognize this person. Kamu juru potret yang bagus. You are a good photographer. You are a good photographer. Saya harus merencanakannya dengan hati-hati. I must plan it most carefully. I must plan it most carefully. Beberapa hari sebelumnya. A few days before. A few days before. Kamu harus siap. You must be ready. You must be ready. Saya akan coba menepati janji. I'll try to keep my promise. I'll try to keep my promise. Apakah kamu marah padaku? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? Kita akan senang sekali. We will have lots of fun. We will have lots of fun. Apakah itu pertanyaan pribadi? Is a personal question? Is a personal question? Itu adalah masalah individu. Is a personal problem. Is a personal problem. Kamu seharusnya menasehati dia. You should advise him. You should advise him. Dia bukan anak kecil lagi. He is not a little boy anymore. He is not a little boy anymore. Jangan terlalu lama. Don't be too long. Don't be too long. Kamu selalu baik. You are always kind. You are always kind. Semua sudah dikerjakan. All is done. All is done. Kita siap jalan-jalan. We are ready to go for a walk. We are ready to go for a walk. Coba mengingatkan sesuatu. Trying to remember. Trying to remember. Apa kamu tahu di mana? Do you know where? Do you know where? Kita perlu hiburan. We need entertainment. We need entertainment. Lebih baik Anda di dalam saja. You had better stay indoors. You had better stay indoors. Apa yang kamu lakukan di sana? What will you do there? What will you do there? Bolehkah saya berkendara ke sekolah? May I drive to school? May I drive to school? Kamu harus mentaati peraturan. You must obey the rule. You must obey the rule. Kamu tidak akan kesulitan. You will not get into trouble. You will not get into trouble. Saya mau makan. I want to eat. I want to eat. Ini kereta baru saya. It's my new car. It's my new car. Bagaimana Anda pergi bekerja? How do you get to work? How do you get to work? Maaf, saya terlambat. Excuse me for being late. Excuse me for being late. Berapa lama ianya? How long does it take? How long does it take? Hari ini lalu lintasnya buruk. The traffic was terrible today. The traffic was terrible today. Saya akan makan siang. I'm going out for lunch. I'm going out for lunch. Dia tidak bekerja hari ini karena sakit. He's out sick today. He's out sick today. Dia sedang rapat. He's in a meeting. He's in a meeting. Dia sedang cuti melahirkan. She's on maternity leave. She's on maternity leave. Boleh saya melihat laporannya? Can I see the report? Can I see the report? Di mana mesin fotokopinya? Where is the photocopier? Where is the photocopier? Saya sudah menaruh berkasnya di dalam lemarimu. I have left file on your desk. I have left file on your desk. Ada masalah dengan komputer saya. There is a problem with my computer. There is a problem with my computer. Ini kartu bisnis saya. Here is my business card. Here is my business card. Saya ingin mengobrol lebih lanjut. I would love to chat more. I would love to chat more. Maaf telah membuat Anda menunggu. Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Dia tidak bisa berbicara sekarang. He can't talk now. He can't talk now. Aku akan bersamamu. I will be with you. I will be with you. Apakah Anda butuh bantuan? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Maaf, sayangnya saya harus pergi lebih awal. Unfortunately, I have to leave early. Unfortunately, I have to leave early. Apakah ini kali pertamamu di sini? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Senang jumpa Anda lagi. Nice to meet you again. Nice to meet you again. Apakah ada komentar lain lagi? Are there more comment? Are there more comment? Saya tidak paham betul apa maksud Anda. I don't fully understand what you mean. I don't fully understand what you mean. Maaf, saya kurang paham maksudnya. I didn't quite hear that. I didn't quite hear that. Maaf telah menginterupsi. Excuse me for interrupting. Excuse me for interrupting. Apakah ada pertanyaan? Is there any question? Is there any question? Bawakan kepadaku buku itu. Bring me that book. Bring me that book. Kami di sini untuk berdiskusi. We are here to discuss. We are here to discuss. We are here to discuss. Mari kita jalan-jalan. Let's go travel around. Let's go travel around. Hari yang menyenangkan. A lovely day. A lovely day. Kamu dapat mengemudi di sana. You can drive there. You can drive there. Saya selalu naik bus tiap hari. I always go by bus every day. I always go by bus every day. Kamu harus berhati-hati. You must be careful. You must be careful. Jumpa lagi di lain waktu. See you next time. See you next time. Datang dengan saya. Come with me. Come with me. Lakukan seperti saya katakan. Do as I say. Do as I say. Apa yang kamu perlukan? What do you need? What do you need? Saya baik di pekerjaan saya. I'm good at my work. I'm good at my work. Saya sibuk di saat ini. I'm busy at the moment. I'm busy at the moment. Aku tidak benci kamu. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. Berapa banyak? How much is it? How much is it? Apakah kamu yakin? Are you sure? Are you sure? Mari kita ke rumahnya. Let's go to her house. Let's go to her house. Ceritakan padaku apa? Please tell me what. Please tell me what. Saya sedang mengemudi di belakang mobil ini. I was driving behind this car. I was driving behind this car. Saya membantahnya. I deny that. I deny that. Ini tidak benar. That not true. That not true. Saya di belakangnya. I was behind him. I was behind him. Kamu membuat kekeliruan. You made a mistake. You made a mistake. Saya belajar bagaimana menggunakannya. I learned how to use it. I learned how to use it. Saya tidak punya cukup uang. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Saya mau tidur siang. I'm going to have a nap. I'm going to have a nap. Jam berapa sekarang? What time is it? What time is it? Saya akan jalan sendiri dengan cara saya. I will go my own way. I will go my own way. Hal yang paling penting adalah the most important thing is. The most important thing is. Bisakah kamu membantuku? Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor? Saya tidak melakukan apa-apa. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything. Bahasa Inggrismu banyak kemajuan. Your English has improved a lot. Your English has improved a lot. Kamu dapat menikmati hasilnya sekarang. You may enjoy the result now. You may enjoy the result now. Tolong dukung saya. Please encourage me. Please encourage me. Saya ingin sekali. I would like to. I would like to. Dia lebih cepat daripada saya. He's faster than me. He's faster than me. Saya siap. I'm ready. I'm ready. Dia sangat terkenal. He's very famous. He's very famous. Saya menyukainya. I like her. I like her. Hari akan hujan besok. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. Apakah kamu punya lebih? Do you have more? Do you have more? Tolong berikan saya pulpen. Please give me the pen. Please give me the pen. Dia belum datang. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. Saya tidak berhenti bersin. I can't stop sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. Apakah kamu adil? Are you fair? Are you fair? Apakah itu adil? Is that fair? Is that fair? Suatu masa dulu. A long time ago. A long time ago. Itu sudah cukup. That enough. That's enough. Starterkan mobil. Start the car. Start the car. Saya tidak begitu sehat. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Saya tidak dengarin apa-apa. I have heard nothing. I have heard nothing. Kakakku ada di sana. My sister was there. My sister was there. Saya sangat lapar. I'm terribly hungry. I am terribly hungry. Saya ingin jalan-jalan. I want to go for a walk. I want to go for a walk. Mari coba yang lainnya. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Saya perlu sepatu lain. I need other shoes. I need other shoes. Saya pakai apa nih? What should I wear? What should I wear? Kapan kereta api sampai? When will the train arrive? When will the train arrive? Makanan itu sangat enak. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Kuemu sangat enak. Your cake was delicious. Your cake was delicious. Jemput saya di bandara. Take me to the airport. Take me to the airport. Saya tidak ngomong apa-apa. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Mari menyeberangi jalan. Let's cross the street. Let's cross the street. Saya sudah makan. I ate already. I ate already. Jangan bermain di jalan. Don't play in the street. Don't play in the street. Apakah mereka datang hari ini? Are they coming today? Are they coming today? Kunci pintu. Lock the door. Lock the door. Patuhi peraturan. Obey the rule. Obey the rule. Apa yang ingin dikerjakan? What to do? What to do? Ambil yang mana? Which one to take? Which one to take? Jangan berbisik. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. Jangan menghancurkan. Don't ruin. Don't ruin. Merokok dapat menghancurkan kesehatan kita. Smoking can ruin our health. Smoking can ruin our health. Isikan botolnya. Fill the bottle. Fill the bottle. Terima keputusan ini. Accept this decision. Accept this decision. Jangan ceritakan pada yang lain. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. Masukkan kata kuncinya. Enter the password. Enter the password. Tidak ada cara. There is no way. There is no way. Apa yang terjadi? What is going on? What is going on? Itu salah. That's wrong. That's wrong. Bersihin tempat tidurmu. Clean your bed. Clean your bed. Tutup bukunya. Close the book. Close the book. Di mana teman saya? Where is my friend? Where is my friend? Sisirlah rambutmu. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Cuci wajahmu. Wash your face. Wash your face. Bangunlah awal. Get up early. Get up early. Bisakah kamu tunjukkan padaku itu? Can you show me that? Can you show me that? Apa alamatmu? What is your address? What is your address? Dia di dapur. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Ada beberapa buah apel di sini. Here are some apples. Here are some apples. Selamat berakhir pekan. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Kami tidak pergi keluar saat hujan. We don't go out in the rain. We don't go out in the rain. Saya akan menikahimu besok. I will marry you tomorrow. I will marry you tomorrow. Tidak ada yang istimewa. There is nothing special. There is nothing special. Bisakah aku berbicara denganmu sebentar? Can I speak to you for a moment? Can I speak to you for a moment? Bolehkah saya pinjam punyamu? May I borrow yours? May I borrow yours? Kapan Anda datang? When could you come? When could you come? Coba saya lihat dulu. Now let me see. Now let me see. Bagaimana kalau minggu ini? How about this weekend? How about this weekend? Itu bagus. That's fine. That's fine. Itu baik bagi saya. Itu baik bagi saya. That would be good for me. That would be good for me. Saya akan menunggu Anda. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. Saya menyesal tidak dapat menemani Anda. I regret being unable to accompany you. I regret being unable to accompany you. Saya tahu Anda sibuk. I know you were busy. I know you were busy. Dia adalah pemain favorit saya. He's my favorite player. He's my favorite player. Saya tidak tahu namanya. I don't know the name. I don't know the name. Hal ini benar-benar luar biasa. It was really wonderful. It was really wonderful. Saya harus latihan. I must practice. I must practice. Di mana tim sekolah kita? Where is our school team? Where is our school team? Itu adalah topik yang sukar. Those are difficult topic. Those are difficult topic. Semuanya merupakan berita bagus. It's all just good news. It's all just good news. Saya bisa membuatnya jadi lebih baik. I can make it better. I can make it better. Kamu harus menyiapkannya dengan baik. You must prepare well. You must prepare well. Biarkan saya membenarkannya. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Saya berharap kamu mendapat pekerjaan. I hope that you get a job. I hope that you get a job. Apa yang seharusnya saya lakukan? What shall I do? What shall I do? Dalam perjalanan pulang. On way home. On way home. Saya tak sabar menantikan pertandingan. I can't wait for the competition. I can't wait for the competition. Saya akan ujian besok. I will have a test tomorrow. I will have a test tomorrow. Upacara dimulai. The ceremony is starting. The ceremony is starting. Bagaimana hari-harimu? How is your day? How is your day? Dia mudah marah. He gets angry easily. He gets angry easily. Bagaimana dengan saya? What about me? What about me? Pertanyaan yang bagus. Very good question. Very good question. Lihat dari segi positifnya. Look on the bright side. Look on the bright side. Tolong letakkan dalam tas saya. Put in my bag, please. Put in my bag, please. Kita semua berharap demikian. All of us hope so. All of us hope so. Sepertinya berjalan lancar. Seem to be running smoothly. Seem to be running smoothly. Ceritakan kepada aku tentang itu. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Baca petunjuknya. Read the direction. Read the direction. Tidak begitu bagus. Not so great. Not so great. Saya senang membantu. I glad to help. I glad to help. Itu benar-benar mengecewakan. It was a real letdown. It was a real letdown. Sangat mengagumkan. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. Saya tidak dapat menemukan. I am unable to find. I'm unable to find. Dia membuka pintu. She opened the door. She opened the door. Saya percaya itu. I believe that. I believe that. Kejutan yang menyenangkan. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. Saya hanya sedang berpikir. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. Saya menyesal tidak ikut. I regret not to go. I regret not to go. Anda sangat ramah. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Saya tidak dapat membantu Anda di sana. I can't help you there. I can't help you there. Saya tidak punya ide. I have no idea. I have no idea. Kamu terlihat sangat termenung. You look very pensive. You look very pensive. Saya tidak begitu yakin. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Kami sangat gembira. We enjoy it very much. We enjoy it very much. Cepat pulih seperti sedia kala. Get well soon. Get well soon. Saya tidak yakin. I do not agree. I do not agree. Saya tidak yakin tentang itu. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. Itu sangat benar. That's so true. That's so true. Boleh jadi lain waktu. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. Minggir dari hadapan saya. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Benar sekali. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Bersiaplah. Get ready. Get ready. Itu tidak masuk akal. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Menurut pendapat saya. In my opinion. In my opinion. Itu mengerikan. That is terrible. That is terrible. Menyedihkan sekali. That too bad. That too bad. Kami masak setiap hari. We cook every day. We cook every day. Semoga lebih baik. Could be better. Could be better. Seperti biasanya. Same as always. Same as always. Sangat dingin. It was very cold. It was very cold. Memilukan sekali. What a shame. What a shame. Sangat baik. Pretty good. Pretty good. Di sini hujan selalu. It usually rain every day here. It usually rain every day here. Saya tidak bisa menjenguk kamu tiap hari. I can't visit you every day. I can't visit you every day. Kakak saya membaca sebuah novel. My sister read a novel. My sister read a novel. Silakan duduk. Sit down. Sit down. Berdiri. Stand up. Stand up. Larilah. Run. Run. Pergi sana. Go away. Go away. Jadilah baik. Be nice. Be nice. Tolong diam. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Tolong diam. Keep silent, please. Keep silent, please. Tutup pintunya. Close the door. Close the door. Pulanglah sekarang. Go home now. Go home now. Lihatlah gambar itu. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Sapulah lantai ini. Sweep this floor. Sweep this floor. Dengarkan aku. Listen to me. Listen to me. Menjauh dari sini. Keep out. Keep out. Makan ini. Eat this. Eat this. Hapuslah papan tulisnya. Clean the whiteboard. Clean the whiteboard. Bawalah kotak ini. Bring this box. Bring this box. Jangan tidur di sana. Don't sleep there. Don't sleep there. Menjauh dari sini. Keep out. Keep out. Jangan katakan itu. Don't tell this. Don't tell this. Tolong jujur padaku. Please be honest to me. Please be honest to me. Bakar ini. Burn this. Burn this. Bawalah kotak ini. Bring this box. Bring this box. Jangan berbicara lagi. Don't talk anymore. Don't talk anymore. Buanglah sampah ini. Throw this rubbish. Throw this rubbish. Nyalakan TV ini. Turn on this television. Turn on this television. Saya akan tinggal beberapa hari lagi. I will stay a few more days. I will stay a few more days. Nampaknya hari yang cerah. It's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. Berhenti di sini. Stop right here. Stop right here. Kamu membuat pilihan yang bagus. You have a nice choice. You have a nice choice. Saya sedang nyetir sekarang. I'm driving right now. I'm driving right now. Aku mencarimu. I was looking for you. I was looking for you. Saya pikir kamu tak seharusnya pergi. I think you shouldn't go. I think you shouldn't go. Anda harus melamar pada pekerjaan itu. You should apply for that job. You should apply for that job. Saya menghargainya. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Tenanglah. Be calm. Be calm. Saya pergi ke luar negeri. I'm going abroad. I'm going abroad. Semoga perjalanan Anda menyenangkan. Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. Kereta api berangkat terjadwal. The train arrived on schedule. The train arrived on schedule. Berapa nomor kontak informasimu? What is your contact information? What is your contact information? Apakah kamu seorang dokter? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Jauh lebih baik. Much better. Much better. Baik untuk kamu. Good for you. Good for you. Itu gaya kuno. Is a classic style. Is a classic style. Itu cara benar dalam mengerjakannya. That the right way to do it. That the right way to do it. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Itu hebat. It's outstanding. It's outstanding. Kamu belajar sangat cepat. You are learning fast. You are learning fast. Mari kita mulai. Let's get started. Let's get started. Saya akan traktir makan malam. I will pay for dinner. I will pay for dinner. Haruskah aku menunggu? Should I wait? Should I wait? Itu karena kamu. It's because of you. It's because of you. Rapat tengah berlangsung. Meeting in progress. Meeting in progress. Lagi pula. What's more? What's more? Itu penjelasan yang jelas sekali. It's clearly explanation. It's a clearly explanation. Saya harap gitu. I hope so. I hope so. Itu mah gampang. It's easy a thing. It easy a thing. Apapun yang Anda katakan. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. Di lain pihak. On the other hand. On the other hand. Habis memangnya kenapa? What of it? What of it? Anda harus bersabar. You should be patient. You should be patient. Itu nggak bisa dibantu. It can't be helped. It can't be helped. Bersabarlah dengan saya. Be patient with me. Be patient with me. Apa yang bisa saya bantu? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Soalnya begini. It's like this. It's like this. Seperti Anda ketahui. As you know. As you know. Apakah itu mungkin? Is it possible? Is it possible? Saya suka gagasan itu. I like that suggestion. I like that suggestion. Berapa orang dari kita akan berada di sana? How many of us will be there? How many of us will be there? Maafkan saya datang terlambat. Excuse me for coming late. Excuse me for coming late. Mohon maaf lahir batin. I beg your pardon body and soul. I beg your pardon body and soul. Tunggu sebentar. Hang on. Hang on. Sampai di mana saya tadi? Now where was I? Now where was I? Aku merindukanmu setiap saat. I miss you every time. I miss you every time. Ayo semua naik. All aboard. All aboard. Dengan senang hati. With pleasure. With pleasure. Sesuka hatimu. As you like. As you like. Ia boleh bicara sesukanya. He may speak as he like. He may speak as he like. Sekali-kali. Once in a while. Once in a while. Satu hal yang perlu diperhatikan. For one thing. For one thing. Saya mencoba untuk membuktikannya. I'm trying hard to improve. I'm trying hard to improve. I'm trying hard to improve. Kamu penting dalam hidupku. You are important in my life. You are important in my life. Kamu harus membayar hutangmu sekarang. You have to pay your bill right now. You have to pay your bill right now. Aku ingin ceritakan sesuatu kepadamu. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. Itu busnya datang. Here come the bus. Here come the bus. Sepanjang waktu. All the time. All the time. Silakan duluan. After you. After you. Dalam hal ini. In this case. In this case. Kok bisa begitu? How so? How so? Apa komentarmu? How's that? How's that? Bergerak ke hadapan. Move on. Move on. Saya telah melihatnya. I have seen it. I have seen it. Saya menonton film yang baik tadi malam. I saw a good film last night. I saw a good film last night. Tak berguna sama sekali. Good for nothing. Good for nothing. Saya tidak sengaja melakukan itu. I didn't do it purposely. I didn't do it purposely. Lihat sini. Look here. Look here. Perhatikanlah. See here. See here. Dengan sengaja. On purpose. On purpose. Saya sependapat dengan Anda dalam hal itu. I'm at one with you at that point. I'm at one with you at that point. Ujian akhir sudah di ambang pintu. The final examination is at hand. The final examination is at hand. Bersiap-siaplah untuk segala sesuatunya. Be ready for everything. Be ready for everything. Mereka bekerja keras. They work hard. They work hard. Alangkah panasnya hari ini. How hot it is today. How hot it is today. Biar saya menangani ini. Let me handle this. Let me handle this. Berita bagus. Good news. Good news. Hati-hati. Be careful. Be careful. Lakukan yang terbaik. Do it best. Do it best. Jangan hilang harapan. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Kamu pasti bisa. You can do it. You can do it. Jadilah optimis. Be optimistic. Be optimistic. Tetap semangat. Keep spirit. Keep spirit. Jangan khawatir. Don't worry. Don't worry. Ide bagus. Good idea. Good idea. Semua orang tahu itu. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Dia benar. He's right. He's right. Saya akan mengambil itu. I will take it. I will take it. Angkat tanganmu ke atas. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Semuanya siap. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Saya sangat sibuk. I am very busy. I am very busy. Saya berjalan terlampau jauh. I have a long walk. I have a long walk. Bolehkah saya mencobanya? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Saya mempunyai banyak pekerjaan. I have got a lot of to do. I have got a lot of to do. Sampai jumpa kembali. See you again. See you again. Semoga perjalanan menyenangkan. Have a pleasant trip. Have a pleasant trip. Dapatkah kamu menolongku? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Aku akan mengambilnya. I'll take it. I'll take it. Saya kenyang. I am full. I am full. Saya puas. I am satisfied. I am satisfied. Saya suka pertunjukan ini. I love this show. I love this show. Saya akan mengantarkan Anda. I'll see you off. I'll see you off. Saya ada mempunyai janji. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. Hujan deras turun sepanjang hari. It rained hard all day. It rained hard all day. Saya pergi berjalan-jalan ke taman. I went for a walk in the park. I went for a walk in the park. Saya mau air. I want some water. I want some water. Hati-hati. Be careful. Be careful. Saya suka pemandangan laut. I love the ocean scenery. I love the ocean scenery. Itu bukan kesalahanku. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. Saya menyesal mengatakannya. I regret to say that. I regret to say that. Saya akan datang tepat waktu. I'll be on time. I'll be on time. Silakan duduk. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Kira-kira di mananya? Just about where? Just about where? Senang berjumpa denganmu. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Saya akan sangat senang. I should be delighted. I should be delighted. Saya telah jumpa dia sebelumnya. I have met her before. I have met her before. Saya takut. I am afraid. I am afraid. Saya terlambat. I'm late. I'm late. Saya tidak tepat waktu. I'm not on time. I'm not on time. Saya agak terlambat. I'm rather late. I'm rather late. Dia suka sekali hal itu. He'll like it very much. He'll like it very much. Tolong aku. Help me. Help me. Dia segera datang. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. Lihat sini. Look here. Look here. Perlukah saya menelponmu? Shall I call you? Shall I call you? Saya tidak begitu yakin. I am not quite sure. I am not quite sure. Lonceng itu jalannya pelan. The clock was slow. The clock was slow. Dia tidak menepati janjinya. He can't keep his promise. He can't keep his promise. Saya baru saja tiba. I have just arrived. I have just arrived. Usahakan datang lebih pagi. Try to come earlier. Try to come earlier. Saya telah menunggu di sini. I have been waiting here. I have been waiting here. Datang sini. Come here. Come here. Kemarilah. Come on. Come on. Saya tidak tahu sebelumnya. I didn't know before. I didn't know before. Bagaimana pekerjaannya? How's work going? How's work going? Saya akan ceritakan apakah itu. I will tell you what. I will tell you what. Cepatlah. Hurry up. Hurry up. Apakah Anda keberatan? Do you mind? Do you mind? Saya terikat dengan janji. I am engaged. I am engaged. Usahakan Anda datang. Do try to come. Do try to come. Dia sakit. He's sick. He's sick. Dia di rumah sakit. He is at the hospital. He is at the hospital. Dia lebih baik sekarang. He better now. He better now. Dia keponakanku. He is my nephew. He is my nephew. Dia sangat menjengkelkan. He's very annoying. He's very annoying. Dia sangat terkenal. He's very famous. He's very famous. Apa kabar? How are you? How are you? Marilah kita menyeberang. Let's cross the road. Let's cross the road. Mari pergi ke suatu tempat. Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. Mari minum. Have a drink. Have a drink. Aku akan menunggumu. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Itu pendapat yang baik. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Apakah kita akan pergi berbelanja? Shall we go shopping? Shall we go shopping? Bisakah saya beli sesuatu di sana? Can I get anything there? Can I get anything there? Mengapa tidak? Why not? Why not? Anda bisa dapat segalanya. You can get everything. You can get everything. Jangan lupakanku. Don't forget me. Don't forget me. Saya coba mengabarimu. I try to write you. I try to write you. Apakah Anda keberatan? Do you mind? Do you mind? Mengapa tidak sore ini? Why not this evening? Why not this evening? Mari pulang ke rumah bersama-sama. Let's go home together. Let's go home together. Tolong jemputlah aku besok pagi jam 7. Pick me up at 7 o'clock. Pick me up at 7 o'clock. Saya akan tinggal bersama Anda. I will stay with you. I will stay with you. Anda akan menjumpai saya. You will find me. You will find me. Jam berapa Anda lowong? What time you will be free? What time you will be free? Apakah kamu tahu? Do you know? Do you know? Itu adalah persoalan pribadi. It was a private affair. It was a private affair. Apakah dia mengundang Anda? Did she invite you? Did she invite you? Kapan selesainya? When was the hour? When was the hour? Jadilah tamuku. Be my guest. Be my guest. Saya akan menanti Anda. I will expect you. I will expect you. Akankah Anda datang? Will you come? Will you come? Awas kereta api. Beware of the train. Beware of the train. Hanya untuk anggota staff. Staff only. Staff only. Dilarang berhenti. No waiting. No waiting. Namanya bagus. Is a good name. Is a good name. Tidak, itu bukan buku saya. It's not my book. It's not my book. Apakah ini tasmu? Is this your bag? Is this your bag? Saya kira begitu. I think so. I think so. Apakah dia pelajar? Is he student? Is he student? Saya sehat walafiat. I'm very well. I'm very well. Bagaimana kabar ibumu? How is your mother? How is your mother? Dia sehat-sehat saja. She is pretty well. She is pretty well. Dia masih di sana. He is still there. He is still there. Dia masih di sini bersama kakak saya. He is still here with my sister. He is still here with my sister. Kenapa dia di sini? Why is he here? Why is he here? Saya akan mampir untuk minum teh. I will drop for tea. I will drop for tea. Kalau Anda mengizinkan. If I may. If I may. Saya sudah makan. I ate already. I ate already. Dia benar. He's right. He's right. Saya mau pinjam buku bahasa Inggris. I want to borrow the English book. I want to borrow the English book. Saya akan ke perpustakaan. I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library. Mari bersama-sama. Let's go together. Let's go together. Tolong ingat kepada saya. Remember me, please. Remember me, please. Apakah itu menarik? It is interesting. It is interesting. Saya sangat menyukainya. I like it very much. I like it very much. Apakah kamu mau membaca? Do you want to read? Do you want to read? Belum. Not yet. Not yet. Tidak ada lagi. Nothing else. Nothing else. Jam berapa selesainya? What time is over? What time is over? Saya sangat lapar. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. Membaca adalah hobi saya. Reading is my hobby. Reading is my hobby. Saya mau pulang ke rumah. I want to go home. I want to go home. Anda sangat ramah. You are very kind. You are very kind. Saya tidak memakainya. I don't use it. I don't use it. Ambillah sendiri. Take it by yourself. Take it by yourself. Ia ada di dalam kamar saya. Is in my room. Is in my room. Anda bisa memakai jas hujan. You can take a raincoat. You can take a raincoat. Saya tidak menemukannya di sini. I don't find it here. I don't find it here. Itu benar. That's alright. That's alright. Saya akan mengembalikannya besok. I return it tomorrow. I return it tomorrow. Hujan lebat di sana. It rained hard there. It rained hard there. Kami ke sana jalan kaki. We went there on foot. We went there on foot. Saya menyesal tentang itu. I regret about that. I regret about that. Dia di sana. He was there. He was there. Apa yang Anda inginkan? What do you want? What do you want? Tolong beri saya roti. Give me some bread. Give me some bread. Saya tidak menyukainya. I don't like it. I don't like it. Saya pergi sendiri. I went alone. I went alone. Apa yang dapat saya bantu? What can I do? What can I do? Ini uangnya. Here is the money. Here is the money. 5 kali seminggu. 5 times a week. 5 times a week. Saya pikir ini ide bagus. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Itu adalah kebun kita. It's our garden. It's our garden. Kita harus menanaminya bersama. We have to plant it together. We have to plant it together. Tidak begitu jauh. Not so far. Not so far. Berenang adalah olahraga kesukaanku. Swimming is my favorite sport. Swimming is my favorite sport. Saya akan biarkan dia tahu. I'll let her know. I'll let her know. Saya akan datang dengan dia. I will come with her. I will come with her. Tidak begitu yakin. Not really. Not really. Saya akan sangat bergembira. I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy. Tak apalah. Not at all. Not at all. Kami akan datang tepat waktu. We will come on time. We will come on time. Saya harus pergi sekarang. I must go now. I must go now. Saya harus kembali. I have to be back. I have to be back. Waktu habis. Time is over. Time is over. Saya masih ingin di sini. I still like to stay. I still like to stay. Saya ada sesuatu yang harus dikerjakan. I have something to do. I have something to do. Ada apa dengan dia? What happened with him? What happened with him? Jumpa kamu besok. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Salam terbaik saya. Send me best regard. Send me best regard. Saya perlu kamu. I need you. I need you. Tunjukkan padaku. Show me. Show me. Saya akan mengambilnya. I'll take it. I'll take it. Dia mendapat kecelakaan. She got an accident. She got an accident. Saya sangat sedih mendengar berita itu. I'm deeply sorry to hear the news. I'm deeply sorry to hear the news. Bagaimana keadaan dia sekarang? How is she now? How is she now?